Hello students, I am Rashmi Yadav, Assistant Professor from Sarhad College. Today we start chapter from Analytical Chemistry, Atomic Absorption Spectroscopy. Spectroscopy means it is the science that studies how electromagnetic radiation interacts with matter, especially in drugs or chemicals. Spectroscopy is of two types. Emission spectroscopy means which measures light emitted by a substance. Emission spectroscopy, it measures light emitted by substance, so we call this as emission spectroscopy. Absorption spectroscopy means light absorbed by a substance is measured. Types of spectroscopy: emission spectroscopy and absorption spectroscopy are two types. In emission spectroscopy, it includes fluorimetry, flame photometry, atomic emission spectroscopy. Absorption spectroscopy, it includes UV visible spectroscopy, IR spectroscopy, NMR spectroscopy, and atomic absorption spectroscopy. So, atomic absorption spectroscopy is an absorption spectroscopy. Atomic spectroscopy. Atomic spectroscopy is the result of phenomena of absorption, emission, or fluorescence by atoms or elementary ions, mostly in UV region. The spectra are obtained by converting the component into gaseous atoms or elementary ions by suitable heat treatments. Principle of atomic absorption spectroscopy. The technique uses basically the principle that free atoms generated in an atomizer can absorb radiation at specific frequency. Atomic absorption spectroscopy quantifies the absorption of ground state atoms in the gaseous state. The atoms absorb ultraviolet or visible light and make transitions to higher electronic energy levels. The analyte concentration is determined from the amount of absorption. Definition of spectrophotometer. Spectrophotometer is instrument that measures amount of light absorbed by a sample as a function of wavelength. Construction of absorption spectrophotometer. AAS includes hollow cathode lamp, chopper, atomizer, detector, and a readout unit. So this is simple block diagram of atomic absorption spectroscopy. Now in short we will see the components of atomic absorption spectroscopy and their functions. Hollow cathode lamp, it serves as the radiation source emitting light of specific wavelength characteristics to the element being analyzed. Chopper, the function of chopper is it modulates the light beam to differentiate between lamp signal and flame emission, improving signal to noise ratio. Atomizer converts liquid sample into aerosol and then into free atoms by spraying it into the flame. Monochromator isolates the specific wavelength absorbed by the atoms in the flame, removing unwanted radiation. Next unit is detector. Detector measures the intensity of transmitted light after absorption by the sample. Next unit is amplifier. Amplifiers the detector signal for better readability and processing. Readout device displays the final absorbance value which is related to the concentration of the element. Thank you so much.